Why do volcanoes erupt? This is happening right now somewhere on Earth. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, there is extremely hot, melted rock called magma. This magma is under a lot of pressure. As pressure builds, the magma is forced upward, looking for a way to escape. When it finally breaks through the surface, it erupts as lava, ash, and gas. Some eruptions are slow and flowing, while others are explosive and powerful. Volcanoes can shape the land, create new islands, and even affect the climate. They may look dangerous, but they are also an important part of how Earth changes over time.